Hello, YouTube viewers. For those of you who keeps on emailing me for the Paper Minecraft save files, I'm gonna show you how to do that to get editing access because you keep on emailing me for it, and I keep having to respond to them. Well, I only respond to some. I don't respond to all because. Okay, so this is the link for the looting map. So dismiss this. If you want to edit, edit it. Just go and make a copy. Yeah, okay. And then just wait for it to make the copy. And there you go. You have your own copy, which you can edit and copy and stuff. You can grab this and go, this is this, or something go to the bottom, type that. You can do whatever you want with this copy because you made a copy of it into your drive. So for those of you that keeps on emailing me, please don't anymore. But if you have any other questions, you can still email me. Got it. So if you want editing access, just do this. You have your own thing. Just don't mess with the original copy. You can do this, or you can delete a chunk out of this one, or you can delete a big chunk and turn this into a yeet. Computer, you okay there? You okay there, computer? Turn this. You can turn a chunk of this into a Y-E-E-T, yeet. There you go. There you go, see? And then you can highlight this or something. See, you can do whatever you want on this without affecting the original copy. Look, there's no 696969s here. So yeah. Also, I'm gonna move this to trash. So don't need this. I have my original copy. Alright then. Bye!